I'm doing jalapeno pepper. It's supposed to look like this. I have big hopes. Need jalapeno, obviously. Start with this. I really like jalapeno pepper, so I have big expectation for this recipe. Now put them in the bowl. I took this one. I didn't take the light one because if you're eating cream cheese, who cares? Honestly. Some cheddar cheese inside. I'm gonna shred it. Once I went to Subway and the girl did not speak English and she asked for some rind cheese. A big difference. Now I'm gonna try to mix this up again. Hard job. Should look like something like this. I'm gonna cut those to keep the tail or whatever. The tail. I'm gonna take a spoon to get everything out. Last time I splashed my eyes and I only thought I was going to be blind. I'm gonna do it with eyes closed. My eyes always start to be itchy as soon as I do something that said, do not touch your eyes. And then I'm like, oh yeah, put my finger on my eye. Melted butter, like crave, of course. Panko, I'm gonna add it to the butter. I guess that's fine. I don't know how much. I don't care. Go with the flow. Follow your instincts. And I'm gonna stuff it with this. I'm gonna put those in this. It's ready! I think this one looks beautiful. Exactly like a picture. So I'm gonna eat this one first. Okay. I could eat 10,000 of those. Thank you, Airfryer.